What's up everybody? So today I'm going to be installing the Reversion Raceworks Digital Dash Bezel for the SN95 platform. I'm going to be utilizing the 7-inch Tinker Electronics screen for this. So from here you'll actually be unbolting these two bolts that are right at the top. They're two 7mm bolts. So once you have, go grab a pick. Apologize that I'm blocking this here, but on your headlight knob, you're actually going to go on the left side of it. There's going to be a little bit of a square opening. You're going to stick a pick inside there. There's going to be just a little bit of a clip. You're just going to have to push a little pressure on that, and then it will pop out. Just pull on it there. Put some pressure on it. There's some clips at the top and the bottom here. You're going to go ahead and just pull that up, nice and neat. Don't try and break anything here, and then you're just going to lift up and over the steering wheel to the left.
So from there, you actually will be removing a T20 bolt. On the cluster, there's 4 bolts in the top left corner, right corner, and the 2 bottoms.
Once you have those 4 bolts off, you're going to start moving this and easing it out towards you. Underneath there's going to be 2 sensors, one on the left and one on the right. You're going to want to unclip those. Once you have those unclipped, then you're going to proceed to moving the cluster over the steering wheel.
So the next step here before you start moving forward is you're going to want to put this digital dash into the actual bezel before you put it in the car. So they have 2 mounting brackets on the back side here for 2 screws. The Tinker Electronics screen comes with the 2 screws, so you just mount those up here, and then you're going to proceed with moving this into the vehicle. So you're going to begin by bringing the bezel back into the vehicle here. There's going to be 2 ports on the back side here for the Tinker Electronics. You're going to connect your GPS unit into the back side, and then you're going to connect your CAN connection into the back of the unit. From there, then you're going to move everything back into the placements here, and then you're going to start by putting those T20s back in. So with those 2 T20s put back in there, you should have something like this. Once you have the Reversion Raceworks bezel in there, you're going to put the OEM piece right back on top here. Remember, this just snaps into place. You should be really fragile with this.
So I want to give a big shout out to Tyler at Reversion Raceworks for this dash bezel that he's made for the SN95 platform. The 3D print on it is high quality. You can never tell the difference from it not being OEM. The fitting on there is great. I think it's one of the best bezels in the market today for any of these digital dash platforms. So make sure you check out their website. There's a link in my bio.